How to fix Hogwarts Legacy not launching, crashing, stuttering and freezing issue on Windows PC. 1. Verify Hogwarts Legacy game files in Steam. 2. Unplug devices. Or controllers from your Windows PC. 3. Launch the game. Hogwarts Legacy.exe, via its original path. 4. Play Hogwarts. Legacy on a dedicated graphics card. Like this. 5. Update Windows and GPU drivers, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 6. Shut down any active overclocking apps. 7. Disable overlay apps. 8. Lower in-game settings accordingly. 9. Update the DirectX. Version via this MS page at https://www.microsoft.com/n-in/download/details.aspx?ID =$35